Kajingyo asim Bynta ka Samla Khasi na Shillong ka Andrea Taryang hak Phlim Hindi ka bala kerteng ping ringkat upting shop bapau nam hak Phlim Hindi wa Amitabh Bachchan kala pelong Paidbah na Meghalaya bakin pelot ya kapor banit pet ya kan ka Phlim ka bala Paidbah hak kan retrek mentau benai ha barok we kari India bad Shillong la pen i ya kan ka Phlim ha Anjali Cinema Hall bad Dreamland kani ka Phlim kadai ka blaring dor halor ka jingsha thambor kikin thai khamtam ki Samla na North East India kabala kring ye kajing mot jeng perkhat jeng Paidbah kajala kabala yo i ye kanik Phlim kadai ha kapor bu Amitabh kumnong ya saaj an ulong ye ka Andrea Taryang kabana kajala Meghalaya ba kadai ban ye kajing la ka football bat jing ruai hadin ba ki Paidbah ka dapet ye kanik Phlim layo ban ye kran baru ba commander Sangpliang president ka Meghalaya Filmmakers Association ba pen pau ba kanik Phlim kadan ye ka khobor ka baklan ba la ka menta ka imlang sa lang
ka Phlim hi kadan ye ka khobor kabala kabaklan subjek kabaklan ke ka overall hi ka Phlim kalong kaba internet kumbang ong nama kadoni kata ka khobor kaba klan haka ke ka khobor hi na kajing pet kalong ba kum sikintin man ong no hi kadai ba se ha kajing ya dei ma jing ya dei jongki jing ya dei jongki breu entam ya ka long renyang juga kenthai kan ka breu te sisen haba ka kenthai long ki kenthai ong no ki man ya ke ba let's say ki man ya kata ek la balong keno ka bandai keno ka jingja la ne keno ka jinglikai ne ka la balong ka jing strat perlok la ne ka la balong keno ne benta sisen ni baka kenthai ka ong em kemut em im dei ban supen bor ka ong ka benta ban ya dei ka jing ya dei jubor
shosho ka bati CCTV kalayo ro ban ikran bat ki wepat ki Paidbah ki ba pen pau ya la ka jong ka jing snow hadin bakla dapat ya kene ka Phlim
Let's go back into Phlim ping ka yarap shubon and da komentar kini kena Samla but ngi ki breu khamtam ki shadang breu but ki shin Samla shinrang ngi de ban so thu ba ki kinthei da ki di ki bam da ki jamit da ki shangmit kamut ba ki de ki kena ki badakat nani kamut ba ki de ki prostitute nani ki badimet nani ki bakwa ya ka materialistic things nani ki worldly things
kat kong kajik sngau jam nating sngau ba kani ka Phlim shisha ka ai shisha ini ka bor kum ki kenthei ba ni David ban yeng hala ka jong ka hongken ba ni David ban yele persha la da ka wan kanu ka jiksni ka bonja kan ha ka jing em jangi pinga so kum ba kani ka Phlim ka kalapan i shisha hangi ya kata ka bor jong ki kenthei ba ni David ban yeng persha ni lada kerja kan ono ku kamru dina ta kadaw nga kerpat ru yaki weki breu mo bakin wan chakmat bat pe kana ban pe kana ka Phlim na mal bakani ka Phlim shisha ka kring shisha ka jingmo jing perkhat ken jongi breu khamtam li ki kenthei bat kapen i shisha yangi mo kam ki kenthei ba ni David ban penon kam la ka hok ken lada kanu ka jing sniu khamtam le ka kum ka pratheng sniu man ta mo ijai ki jingja ki wanja te bangi dei shisha ken banjeng panyale prashati
I believe for us girls it was an eye opener and it was such an amazing story that we felt so touched by it, right?
And then the movie also it was mainly about the social evils like which mainly is basically to the feminine gender where the social evils is mainly of that and how and in cases where like it's showing that there is partiality when it comes to between poverty and wealth.
And I think
seeing Miss Andy act she was teaching us she was teaching us and then now we see her and now we get to see her in a big screen. It was such an amazing opportunity for us and it was nice to see her
and it's such an inspiration to us because our school concert's coming up and seeing her act it also helps us inspire us a lot.
I think everyone else should come and watch this movie as well.